Hi everyone, welcome to Research Skill Hub. Adding a scale bar incorrectly can completely mislead your results. In this video, I will show you the correct way to add an accurate scale bar to your SEM images using ImageJ. So let's start. So for this thing, first I will use open the ImageJ. This is the ImageJ software that I open. I take this image and open it with the ImageJ. So it opens here in ImageJ. And the next thing that I will do, I zoom in to the scale bar. In order to do that, you press Control and scroll the mouse upward, and it gets zoomed in. And then you just took this line segment and just measure. While you're measuring it, it measures the distance in pixels. So here it shows that it is 109.25 pixels.
So we need to set the scale now.
In order to do that, you need to go to the Analyze, and then to the Set Scale. So once you click Set Scale, it appears like this. And it's currently showing the distance in pixels, which we measured here. And now the known distance we already know, which is 2. And the aspect ratio is 1. And the unit of the length is micron. You can click micro and meter. So this is the unit of the length. You click global and you click OK. Now you zoomed out, press Control and scroll down so it gets zoomed out. And now, before zooming out, just zoom back in. And now you measure this distance. So it will show in microns. So this is showing in 2 microns. And now, which means we have accurately calibrated this image. Now you zoomed out, and now you select a certain portion of the image that you want to show in your paper. Let us say this. We have selected this with a rectangle segment, and then we press Control C, and then we close this one. So it says save changes to the, let's say no, and then you click this image and press Control V. So it will paste the selected copied image here. So now we want to put this micron scale bar here. In order to do that, we again go to the Analyze, and then we go to the Tools, and the next thing we go to the scale bar. And here, the scale bar, when we go to the scale bar comes here, and the width and the rest of the options come here. So width in micrometer, maybe let's say you want to put 5 micron, 3 micron, or sorry, 2 micron or 3 micron, whatever. You can select 10 micron. So I will select maybe 5 is too big, maybe 2 micron. The height in pixels of the scale bar, I just fit it to 10. And then the font size of the text, I fit it maybe to 32. So it's look pretty good now. And the color is white, and the background color, I say black. So that is there. And then whatever location you want, lower left or lower right is the normal location. And then you click overlay or not overlay, or you can change the Safari font or whatever. And then you click OK. So after putting the scale bar, what you can do, you can export this image, save as, go to the file, save as, maybe JPEG, and then you can save it SEM image 1. And this is how you can save it. So this is how you do it. And now if you open the SEM image 1, it opens like this with the scale bar on. So this is how you make the image accurately with the scale bar, and this is ready for your publication. So thank you for watching. See you next time with another informative video.